I got a new toy for Christmas and I thought I would take you all along on the unboxing of it. I am super excited to have gotten this digital pressure canner. Pressure canning is something I've wanted to do and that I've tried to do several times, but unfortunately I have a convection stovetop and only the extremely expensive pressure cookers seem to work on it. And every one that I did try, which were mid-range, 150, 170, my cooktop would just not recognize it, so it just didn't work, so I just ended up sending them back. But my husband got me this for Christmas, and I want to do an unboxing with you, so here we go. I'm gonna have to put it down on the chair to get it out. Oh my goodness. It's over here. Not over here. I think we need this stuff. Okay. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Okay. Sit back down. Okay, it came of course with the instruction guide. You didn't see it. And then it has a quick start guide, pressure canning methods on both sides. And then I assume this goes in the bottom of the the pressure canner for the jars to sit on top of. So I first saw one of these. If you all watch Becky over at Acre Homestead, she has one of these, and I don't remember when she initially put it up, but she put it up on her Amazon store, and I immediately went in and I saved it into my favorites on my Amazon list for my husband. And so when Christmas time came around, he said, hey, what do you want for Christmas? I immediately sent him this. So I'm super excited. Again, I don't know a lot about pressure canning. We're gonna go on this journey in the fall. Well, when we start getting green beans in is when we'll start using this. And so that means we're going to be using it in the new house. This is a dream come true. You don't understand. We're going to be using it in the new house together and in the outdoor kitchen when we do all of our canning. So I'm super excited about it. It is a digital pressure canner. It's by Presto Precise. Yeah. But I will link it down in the description for you all. And thanks for coming along with me on this unboxing. I'm going to open it. See, I don't even know how to open it. Going to zoom. Aha! To open. Pull that up. Now what? Turn. Okay, so there's what the inside looks like. Well, the inside of the lid, anyway. And then it looks like this comes out. Yes, it does. So I'm going to leave the plastic on. I just want to show it to you guys so you can see how big it is. And then it looks like, yep, it's got a little pressure button in the bottom. This is what the inside of it looks like. And then you can see that's what the digital part of it looks like. Put this all back together. That in there. Let's see if I can figure out how to put it back together. Let's assume it goes like, there we go. In, lock, and it's out. There we go. So I'm excited to take you all along on this new adventure with me. This will be the first time that I've ever pressure canned, and so it's probably better that I do it like this than on top of a stovetop. But I'm excited to learn how to do it, and we'll be doing this together. I think the first thing that will come in, other than our stocks, when it's time to make those, we'll probably use this when we redo our stocks. That means I don't have to fill up my freezer anymore with it. But we'll start, well, when we get green beans, we'll start processing those in the pressure canner. And we'll be doing that at the new house. I just put down in the comments, do you have one of these? let's talk about the pressure canning. So if you are new here, thanks for coming and watching this unboxing video. And if you have never pressure canned and you're just learning, let's learn it together. That would be exciting. Let me know down in the comments if you've never done it before and if you're learning this year too. And I would love to know from those of you who have pressure canned before, your secrets and if you've used this. Again, I'll link it down in the description so you can go and find it for yourself on Amazon. And until I see you in the next video, you all take care of yourselves, and no matter how you do it, please keep growing. Bye-bye.